currently taking energy from the battery. Stopping taking energy from the battery.
So in this mode we're transferring energy from the supercapacitor, C-ion supercapacitors to the lithium batteries. Yaxing from WMG has set the current limit of the C-ion supercapacitors to 5 amps, and as you can see it's more or less 5 amps plus 500 milliamps, which is quite good. And now it's charging the lithium batteries. We're now transferring energy from the supercapacitors, the C-ion supercapacitors, to the lithium battery, and we're regulating the lithium battery current to approximately 15 amps. Now Yaxing will lower this to 10 amps and we'll see it regulating. So you can see now that the current has dropped to 10 amps.
2 charging the pod off supercapacitors at 15 amps.
So the C-ion supercapacitors are now at 10 volts, which has depleted all the energy in the C-ion supercapacitors, and now we're no longer regulating the battery current. Demonstration, we started the C-ion supercapacitors at 40 volts, and during the course of the travel it dropped down to 10 volts, which was the set point that WMG, Yaxing from WMG has set. And now we are reversing the energy transfer. We're transferring energy from the lithium batteries to the supercapacitors, just to see it functioning again. We've set it to 5 amps. You can see here it's about 5 amps going into the supercapacitors.
Driving the pod in manual mode with the capacitor pack recharging the battery.